Well, howdy everybody. We got a little update video for you because it's not every day you actually get to keep tabs on an old project car you sold because you and the guy you sold it to get along really good. So, my good buddy Jake is here, and you might recognize, or may not recognize, what he has done. Oh, that is so much better in person. Man, you really did it. Oh, I freaking love that sticker.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Had to cover up the bullet hole that actually hit the glass.
Yeah. It works out really good. I like the straight axle, actually.
Yeah, it's not a bad kit. I was really impressed with the kit, actually. From Speedway, ordered it off Amazon, delivered 2-day shipping for free.
I really like what you did with the quarter panel.
I hope it annoys somebody.
I love it. I don't care if it annoys anybody. Those are Jezebel's old Nittos.
I need to add in, obviously the quarters are totally rogue. So eventually we're going to come back and we're going to rebuild these quarters.
Yeah.
I want to kind of round out and soften this a little bit, add a little bit to this front quarter. The driver's side looks way better, but I was just working with the metal that was there.
And that's how you fit a deep dish 15 by 10 on a 66 Belvedere. I really like that.
Everybody and their brother was telling me that it was going to look terrible, but
That is just cockle, as Dad would say. So you say this other side is nicer?
yeah, the other side looks a little bit nicer.
Ooh. Ooh.
It's still got the, I don't even know what to call it, the race livery.
I know. It's still got some of that other. Oh, yeah, I forgot. You did sand down some of that blue off there.
Yeah, we totally took the other side down to the factory, and I kind of played with a little bit of a black roof. And
I don't know how you did that well.
my buddy actually hit it with a plasma torch. We just notched it.
Yeah? That is. Oh, yes. That's freaking badass, man.
And it's appropriate for the engine the car's going to get because it doesn't say gas.
It's fair. It's fair. This thing is just... Is it clean in here?
Yeah, for the most part.
Look at that. That's a daggone floorboard in there now.
We got it just good enough to keep critters out of it for the winter.
And subframe connectors. This bad boy's gonna be pretty daggone sweet when it's all motivating. You guys got the doors shutting really good.
We didn't do anything to them. You did that.
Oh, well, you know, still can say you did it.
Yeah, I did it. Yep.
Yep.
Mm-hmm. That was all One Ugly Yeti Productions there.
You know what I really don't like, Jake?
What's that?
Is the fact that I'm really starting to dig this body style. You know, all these years of not being a big fan of 66 and 7 Plymouths and Dodges, and being more of a 66 7 Dodge guy over Plymouth, and then you bring this thing and it's just like, I mean, how can you, like, anybody who hates that is just, they ain't got taste, in my opinion.
The only taste they have is in their mouth.
Oh, man. Well, I wanted to film a little update for everybody at home because it, like I said, it isn't every day you get to keep tabs on an old project car you sold to a buddy and him do something just beyond expectations. So many people were tire kicking it and not being a big fan of it, and this just goes to show you what will happen if you just apply a little bit of dreaming. situation.
Yeah, I don't know what happened to lower it, paint it black, Ray Charles everything, and put it on 18s, but Jed's a terrible influence.
I might be. I mean, either way, it would have been great. But this, I didn't even, what are you saying? I'm a bad influence. I didn't even do anything.
I didn't even like drag cars. It wasn't even my thing, and then I started hanging out with you guys in the Discord, and then all of a sudden, yeah, I want fatties and front runners, and I want a gasser axle, and I don't know, a 1.9 TDI just won't make enough torque. So I bought a fucking 12 valve.
There we go. Yeah, I now see the difference here. I really like this side.
Yeah.
That black on the roof.
I think you're gonna do like a wrinkle black, or maybe truck bed liner, kind of do like a faux vinyl top.
I've seen guys do that.
Yeah, I gotta do something. It's
Buddy Marty's friend Riley at Riley's Junkyard and Petting Zoo on YouTube.
Yeah.
They did that to one of his Buicks where they bed linered the whole roof and it was uneven, but they used a rasp and it was able to level it out and it looked just like a vinyl roof.
Really?
It looks really good. They got a whole video on it. I was really impressed by it. So that might be something to look up and watch.
I was wondering about maybe a gallon of Van Sickle tractor paint
Uh-huh.
and just rolling it on with a textured roller. Maybe.
I have no idea.
We'll see.
Only time will tell us. But,
It's an official project car.
well, yeah.
There's the channel.
Oh, man. I could stare at it for quite a while.
Don't mind the front spring geometry.
Oh, it's all just temporary.
Yes, it is. It is super temporary. It's we were playing the guessing game, and then we set the weight of the car down on it, and I hadn't researched what weight rating these springs were, and we airballed that one. We're gonna redo it.
I didn't even notice that. See, now that you've pointed it out, we will all probably have seen it now.
I'll accept my judgment now.
Well, this will do it for an update, I think.
Here's hoping. Here's hoping.
Looking forward to, so probably next year will be, which is just right around the corner, a couple months.
Yeah, he's gonna go hibernate for a few months at the super secret storage facility, and I gotta run out to Illinois and pick up my 12 valve, and then we're gonna probably build a transmission for that, and then get really super serious. Now that we went from talking about a 400-pound motor to a 1,200-pound motor, we're gonna do something a little different with the front ends. It's still gonna be leaf spring, still gonna be solid axle, but I think what I'm gonna do is pick up some channel iron or some square tubing, and basically make sleeves that will bolt to the spring perches or weld to the spring perches, and then those will bolt through the frame with some tubing and an engine cross member, and tie that all together off of the factory K-member bolt locations. So that way basically the subframe will hold the weight of the motor, and we'll just set the car down on it, sort of like the K-frame would be, just
Oh, yeah.
more like a half-ton truck.
You see what kind of workout those leaf springs are going to get when it gets that engine in there.
Oh yeah, those are 400-pound springs, so approximately every 400 pounds you set on them will make them droop an inch, supposedly.
So you're going to probably drop 3 inches
Yeah.
pretty easily.
Yeah, I mean, probably be closer to 4.5 by the time everything, transmission, cross members, subframe, all the fluids, radiator, intercooler.
I know a lot of guys like the gasser stance, like super tall. But for me, I feel like this thing dropped down just a couple inches in the front.
I'm hoping it sits just about level.
That'd be, yeah.
Maybe an inch high. But
I can't believe how good even the 15.7 ETs here look.
they don't even look that wide.
No, they
Like
don't.
a 7 wide at all.
You're making me regret some of the things I sold you. Well, or traded you.
Traded, sold. We've done quite a bit of.
That's how cool cars get built, man.
Yeah, that's true.
I mean, otherwise, if you go and buy all these parts, I mean, brand new, which the only thing you really got brand new, you got a bunch of money in, is that axle. And that wasn't that expensive.
It was $1,000 for the kit.
Yeah, that ain't bad.
Can't recommend it enough.
William got one of those for the Red Rocket, and that worked out really good.
Yeah, I really wish Jegs would get off their ass and sell something like that. I had to give my money to Speedway, but
It would be kind of neat if they had their own straight axle kit.
I mean, hint.
Yeah. Oh, this thing's gonna be freaking sweet. It's only gonna get better from here. So folks, thank you for checking it out. Jake, thank you for bringing her by.
Happy to do it.
Be cool to see it again soon.
Till now, till then, fuck, I'm tired. Bye-bye.
Yep, good enough for me. Take care.
You're gonna have to bleep me out.
Ah, it's fine. I ain't gonna bleep shit. That's badass, dude. I'd be prouder than hell of that.